A rental car company offers the following two pricing methods for its customers to choose from for a 1-month rental. Method 1 is $400 for the month, and Method 2 is 30 cents per mile plus the maintenance fee of $35 a month. A says to construct a linear function that models the relationship between the miles driven and the total rental cost for the Method 2. X is going to represent the miles driven, and Y will represent the rental cost. They're going to pay 30 cents per mile, so we want 0.3 times the number of miles, which is X, plus the maintenance fee. That's the initial value. B says, if you plan to drive 1,100 miles for the month, which method would you choose? Well, we know Method 1 is going to cost $400. Method 2 is going to be 0.3 times 1,100 miles plus the $35 fee. So the parentheses mean to multiply. We're going to take 0.3 and multiply it by 1,100, and then we're going to add the $35 fee. So Method 2 comes out to be $365. Is it cheaper to go with Method 1 or Method 2? Method 2 is cheaper for 1,100 miles. Now you can either explain this in a sentence or you can use your work as your explanation. Number 2, we have Kelly is adding music to her MP3 player. She's interested in 2 different companies. The linear function y equals 5.25 plus 0.3x is for one of those companies, and then it says the site suddenly changed its monthly service structure. So it's not 2 separate companies, it's just a different structure. The linear function that models the new cost is that y equals 0.35x. So this was before, and this one is the new method. A says, explain the meaning of the 4.5 in the new equation. So it's the cost of the fee, the monthly subscription fee. Then it says, is this a better situation for Kelly than before? Well, before it was $5.25. This is less than before. B says, explain the meaning of the 0.35. This is the cost per song. But before, the cost per song was 0.3. So is this better than before? Well, no, because this is more than before. C says, if you were to graph the 2 equations, the old versus the new, as 2 separate lines, which line would have a steeper slope? Well, this one has a bigger rate than this one. So the new would have a steeper slope. And what does this mean in the context of the problem? It's 5 cents more per song. So it's steeper because it's more per song. D says, which subscription plan provides the better value if they get 15 songs per month. I'm going to do this next to both of those equations. So this one would be 5.25 plus 0.3 times 15. And this one would be 0.35 times 15 plus 450. The parentheses mean multiply. So that first one will come out to 975. And the second one, when you multiply 0.35 times 15 and add 450, it comes out to 9.75 also. So both subscriptions really are the same value. So when it says which subscription provides a better value, well, neither. This is for part D down here. Both provide the same value.